Hello and welcome to another episode of Dissertation Diaries. Today is Sunday, October 20th, 2019. You may notice a different background and some poor lighting. I'm actually in an RV at my parents' house. I stayed with them this weekend, but I want to let you know what happened. This week, I spent up in St. Louis. In fact, I don't know if I recorded a dissertation diary while I was there. Hopefully I did. I was in St. Louis all week, starting last Sunday. And then Friday, I came down to Branson to spend some time with my folks. So I didn't have much time to get things done because I had a lot going on both during the day and during the evenings. Let me tell you what happened. I got some feedback from my committee, and I've been working through it. I started with a bunch of bad citations, and they're getting harder and harder to clean up. But on Monday, the 14th, I cleaned up 34 citations, got it down from 149 to 115. Tuesday and Wednesday, I had some complications. I couldn't get anything done. Thursday, I cleaned up 62 citations from 115 to 53. Friday, I was on a Greyhound bus all afternoon and evening and couldn't get anything done. On Saturday, I cleaned up 8 citations, removing it from 53 to 45. This coming week, I fly back to Denver tomorrow, Monday, and I plan to get as many of these done and as fast as I can this week. Hopefully by the end of next weekend, I can have this submitted with all the feedback addressed from my previous feedback from my dissertation committee. As always, like and subscribe. I hope this video helps someone out. Take care.